In recent years, extreme weather events, intense rain, floods, prolonged droughts have become more frequent, largely due to climate change. As a result, agriculture faces unprecedented challenges. But there is a hope. Climate Smart Agriculture, or CSA, offers farmers essential tools to adapt to these conditions, helping ensure food security and environmental sustainability. One project making a real difference is the Consortium for Scaling Up Climate Smart Agriculture in South Asia, or SUCSeS. Launched in 2021 under the SAARC Agriculture Center, this initiative promotes sustainable and resilient farming by scaling up climate-smart strategies and technologies across selected regions in Sri Lanka. The sites for these innovations include Thirapane in Anuradhapura, Walapane in Nuwareliya, Nugawela in Kandy, and Kumbukate in Kurunegala. These locations represent Sri Lanka's varied landscapes and climates, providing an ideal setting to test and adapt climate-smart practices. Through the SUCSeS project, 4 initiative climate-smart agriculture technologies were identified and implemented. Here is what they are. Solar water pumping coupled micro-irrigation. In Anuradhapura, the use of solar-powered water pumps and micro-irrigation methods is revolutionizing how food crops are grown, making it possible to increase yields significantly up to 2 or 3 times over conventional methods. Gravity-based sprinkler irrigation. In the hills of Walapane, gravity-fed sprinkler systems use the natural flow of water from high-altitude sources to irrigate crops below. This energy-efficient practice not only conserves water but also helps protect the topsoil. Multi-purpose soil conservation bunds. These bunds feature carefully selected plants like drumsticks, pomegranate, and lime. Not only do they prevent erosion and conserve moisture, but they also reduce temperature in the microclimate, provide supplementary food, animal feed, and green manure, not only reducing costs but also providing some additional income for farmers. Protected agriculture for high-value crops. In Nugawela area in Kandy, high-value crops like tomatoes, bell peppers, and salad cucumbers are grown in protected structures, allowing year-round production and providing farmers with a dependable source of income even when climate conditions vary. Alternate wetting and drying in rice cultivation. This efficient technique not only saves water but also reduces methane emissions from rice fields. Farmers in Kurunegala are seeing improvements in crop health and root structure, with plans to expand the practice in coming seasons. In addition to the primary technologies, other CSA practices have been introduced to strengthen resilience and productivity, including contour ploughing, multiple cropping, and integrated plant nutrient management. These techniques support long-term soil health and water conservation. Under the Ministry of Agriculture and Plantation Industries, the Climate Smart Irrigated Agriculture project has added further support, providing equipment like solar-powered water pumps, drips, and sprinkler irrigation systems. This partnership helps scale up CSA practices, improving yields and water efficiency. Through the adoption of climate-smart agriculture technologies, farmers across Sri Lanka are not just adapting to climate change, they are paving the way for the resilient and sustainable agricultural future. The SUCSeS project is more than an initiative. It is a lifeline for communities and a blueprint for sustainable farming. Together, let's grow towards a sustainable future.